Hello YouTube family, this is Midwest Picker. My name is Dave. I'm a part-time reseller, full-time nurse, full-time dad and father. I'm going with an aquarium theme this time. I usually have a fireplace, but the last time I did an aquarium, all the fish turned white in the video. I hope that doesn't happen this time. I did a test video and they were fine. I don't know what happened last time, but so anyways, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, like I said, I'm a part-time reseller. I do a lot of how-to videos to help new people to reselling, whether it's eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, doesn't matter, or local if you do Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or OfferUp or Let Go. If you're new to reselling or if you've never done any reselling, you've come to the right place. If you look at the links down in the description below, I have videos on how to ship, how to source, how to list, how to research your items. The biggest curve or the most difficulty people have when they're new to reselling is shipping. I can't emphasize enough, you have to research shipping before you even list or offer one item for sale. You got to go to USPS.com and research everything about priority mail, first class, medium mail, all of it, and learn how it works. And they have postage calculators and shipping calculators and all the rules. Really important. Watch my video down below. It covers the basics, and I know rules change and rates change and all of that, but basic how-to 101, that pretty much stays the same. And then of course you can always ask me questions. So I have my email down below. You can go to midwestpicker.com and you can follow me on Instagram and send me your questions, or just put them in the comments down below. I love to answer questions for people when they're new to reselling. So this video is about what sold on eBay. This goes back about 6 days. It's been a while since I made a what sold video. The reason I do these, they're called BOLOs, or be on the lookout. I let people know what actually sold, because the biggest mistake new resellers also make, besides shipping mistakes, is they're not really sure what to buy to resell. What you don't want to do is put a lot of money into items that take 5 years to sell. You want to sell something quick. Most people like the quick flip and make a profit and move on. So this is real helpful to help you source when you're out at thrift stores, flea markets, garage sales, estate sales. So you start to learn and remember these things because you saw it in a video. I'm a visual learner. That helps me. I watch other resellers too, and I have them linked down below, and they have BOLOs too. So over time, you start to become an expert and you learn what sells well, what doesn't sell well. You can look things up when you're out in the field sourcing, but to be honest, I probably don't look up about 80%. I just know by looking at an item if it's worth buying or not. And if I have a question and I'm not sure, then I kind of like secretly kind of look it up on my phone to figure it out. So let's get into what sold for me in the last 5 days. So the first item is this poster. This is the movie 9 to 5 with Dolly Parton, Dabney Coleman, and I think Lily Tomlin, I'm not sure. So I bought these posters from Mr. Buysalot. That's episode 91. I did an unboxing of his posters that I bought, second batch. So I bought 36 posters, the first batch. I didn't do an unboxing video for that. I was so happy with that. I bought 25 more, so I did an unboxing video for that, and that's episode 91, so check that out. These are original vintage movie posters that are shipped folded. That happened from like the 1960s to the early 90s, and then after that they shipped them rolled. So I bought them folded, I ship them folded. People that collect these posters, they're going to frame them up anyways, and they know they're folded, so it's no big deal. So this one, so my cost of goods is roughly $4.40 per poster. I had this one listed for $24.95. I took a best offer of $18 and I charged calculated first class shipping. They fold really nice. They only weigh 8 ounces, so the cost is not that high. In that previous video, episode 91, I also show you how to ship a folded poster too. The next item is this Diecast Truck that came with 3 little cars. This one I think I had listed for $28.95. I took a best offer of $20. I just wanted to move it because my cost of goods is $0. This is my own personal truck and I've just had it for a long time. I was just thrilled that they were willing to buy it because I think the market is a little saturated with 1990s die-cast trucks and banks and semis and all that stuff. But it's sold. I charged calculated priority mail shipping and they were happy to pay it. The next item is this, I call it a compass kit. I don't know what else to call it. It has a compass and some other tools in it. They're all over eBay. It's kind of old and vintagey. I had it listed for $24.95 and best offers turned on. They didn't send me an offer. They just paid up full price and they paid shipping on top. This is my personal item I've had in a box for years. I don't even know where it came from, so my cost of goods is zero on this. This next one is what's called retail arbitrage. You'll see that abbreviated RA also. This is a supplement, Evening Primrose. I probably bought this over a year ago, and it's been so long it's actually expired. But don't be afraid to sell expired supplements and vitamins, even computer ink. If you're honest and you put that in the description, people know it's expired, but they want it anyways. They don't care. Now, if it's expired 5 years or more, then you're probably going to have a hard time selling it. This was expired, I think, maybe 6 months, but they bought it anyways. They were thrilled. I had it listed for $12.95. I took a best offer of $8 plus shipping on top. This was not a home run at all. Like I said, this was retail arbitrage. I think I was in a big box pharmacy, and they had it on clearance, 75, 85, maybe 90% off. So I probably paid $2 or $3. So I just grabbed a handful of them. And you make a little bit of profit, but they take a very long time to sell. Now, of course, right now, certain supplements are in huge demand. Any immune support or immune boosting supplements and vitamins like that, you just can't find them anywhere. People are just like going crazy buying them. So if you already had those, you're going to do quite well. But supplements in general, if you look at a big box pharmacy, like a Walgreens or a Rite Aid, or CVS pharmacy, they sometimes have a clearance section, or they'll have clearance tags in the aisle, like bright yellow and bright orange. Look for the ones that are 75% off or higher and give those a shot. Now, if it's something like vitamin C or zinc or immune boosting and it's 75% off, grab it because people are going to buy it and you'll probably do quite well. Other than that, I usually recommend 90% off. If I see anything in a big box pharmacy, I don't care if it's makeup, if it's a hairbrush, a curling iron, supplements, vitamins, whatever, 90% off, I always grab them and I sell them online and I do quite well. So retail arbitrage can be a gamble. And in this particular case, I didn't really do so well in this one. I have in the past, but you know, it's always a gamble. It's always a risk. This next one, I think the brand is Sakura. I think I'm saying that right. 8-inch salad plate. I bought these things like over a year ago. Probably paid about $1.50 a piece. I can't remember what the cost of goods is. It's been so long. But I did get these from a Goodwill store. They're in excellent condition. That's the reason I bought them. They also came with dinner plates and little cups and saucers. So I lotted them up. The dinner plates is a lot of 4. These salad plates was a lot of 4. Little saucers was a lot of 4. A lot of people will break these and they need replacements. Now you could sell all 16 dishes in one giant lot for one big price. The downside is most people don't need all of them, and most people don't want to spend $40 on shipping. So I break them up into lots. You could even sell individual plates one at a time if you wanted to. That would probably do even better, but it just takes more work and more shipping. I had these listed for $24.95. I took a best offer of $20 and the buyer paid shipping on top. The last item is my second poster sale from all of the posters I bought from Mr. Buysalot. This was a 1964 movie, The Naked Kiss. Now these really old movie posters, they're printed on like plain paper, not glossy paper. And a lot of these old movies I've never heard of before. I listed it for $15.95 with best offers turned on. They didn't send me an offer. They just paid up full price plus first class shipping on top. And again, my cost of goods is about $4.40. So that's it, guys. That's my what sold video. Did pretty good. Sales are up and down. Those posters I'm excited about because some of them are very high value. I only have to sell 4 or 5 high value posters and it will pay for all of them. Let me know what you think of the aquarium. If you like that, if you prefer the fireplace or you don't care either way, just let me know down in the comments. If there's any videos that you want to see, let me know that in the comments too. I'm open to make any kind of video. If you want me to make a new updated how to ship video, ask me that and I'll probably do that. If you want an office tour of this eBay office that you can't see off the camera, let me know and I'm happy to do that. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And again, Shoot me any questions that you have down in the comments, or go to MidwestPicker.com. That will link you to my Instagram, and you can also see my eBay store if you're interested in that. If you want to see how I take pictures, I have a lot of uranium glass too. You can see some of it's right there, some of it's right there. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.